Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you a 5-minute morning yoga routine that you can do to kickstart your day and set a positive tone for the rest of your day. Starting in a comfortable seated position, take a few deep breaths in through your nose and out through your mouth. Allow yourself to let go of any tension or stress from yesterday and bring your focus to the present moment. Next, we'll move into a gentle cat-cow stretch. On an inhale, arch your back and look up towards the ceiling. On an exhale, round your spine and bring your chin to your chest. Repeat this movement for a few breaths, allowing yourself to move at your own pace. From there, we'll move into a downward facing dog. Plant your hands on the ground, shoulder width apart, and step your feet back into a plank position. Then, lift your hips up towards the ceiling, pressing your hands into the ground and straightening your legs. Take a few breaths in this pose, allowing yourself to stretch out your back and hamstrings. Now, we'll come into a standing forward fold. From downward dog, step your feet up towards your hands and slowly fold forward, allowing your head and neck to relax. Take a few breaths here, allowing yourself to release any tension in your back and hamstrings. Finally, we'll finish with a gentle standing twist. From standing, place your left hand on your right knee and twist your torso to the right, bringing your right hand behind your back. Hold for a few breaths, then repeat on the other side. And there you have it. A simple 5-minute morning yoga routine to kickstart your day. Remember, the most important thing is to listen to your body and move at your own pace.